Hi, this is John Aveno for Game Studio Week 9. Week 9. So, going off of what I was working on, of the, so after working on mid jump for the player, I started working on a little feature that handles how accurately the player moves in the game, specifically when he falls from his jump. So added a code that's basically a fast fall for the player. So the code happens in fix update. So right, so here. So as the player's velocity in the y direction is less than zero, meaning he's going downwards. A force is added to his body that increases that force such that the player will fall faster. So last week I tried messing with these numbers so that the fall would make sense. At the same time, I had to make sure that it wouldn't break what was already established in the game. Most specifically, the gaps that the designers have already set out in place. So I relayed this information to the designers since my main issue was that when I first implemented the fast fall was when the player would try to jump across gaps, as soon as he starts falling down, he would fall too fast and he essentially can't make the jump. so according to the game changes, one of the designers has already adjusted it to the number that works best for the game. So Karina already adjusted it from my original test value 605 to 16. So now, as a player falls, 1/6 of the force keeps being added as time goes on. Now, let me show you a bit of that fall. By the way, I like the sound effects the audio team is adding to the games. It's really cool. Okay, okay, so jumping. Oh, okay. Yeah, that has to be fixed. Okay, okay, I can't kill you. Okay, mid jump, mid jump. Okay, so he's making the jumps now. What was happening before was that when the player tries to mid jump across, as soon as he starts falling from his mid jump, he can't make it anymore. Or rather, he's falling too he's falling too fast. Same thing as when he's just jumping in place. Originally, his falling speed was too fast as well. So now I think the designers have the Korean already established a good number that we can use for it. Okay, so I just okay. All right. So quick recap: fast fall the fast fall now allows the player to fall somewhat realistically as to according to his size. Okay, that's really my main change, just in implementing that. Since implementing the fast fall also allows our animator to animate how the jump and how the jump is it helps our animator work on the jump animation for the character. So that was the main reason for me developing the fast fall. For now, that's most of my change. That's my most important change so far in the game. There's some bugs that I'm also fixing, specifically with some of the items, or so mostly with some of the items. I will, Other than that, I'll be going back and forth with the bug list that the designers are setting back and forth. And yeah, that should be it. Thank you.